This video is part of the MLA tutorial series. This goes through some of the basics of MLA and more advanced techniques on how you can use it to make great LabVIEW programs. This video is about how to install MLA and get it up and running for a new application that you want to create. We've made the installation for MLA extremely easy. It's actually completely self-contained. So what we've done is we've basically insourced everything that MLA needs into MLA. So it can be a standalone program that doesn't have a lot of dependencies. You can start by downloading it by going to our website, S5 Solutions, and under Knowledge Base, go to MLA. Here you'll see the MLA page. You can just scroll by all the videos of this incredibly handsome devil and go all the way down to the bottom, and you can find a download link. And you click on that and you fill out a little bit of information. The cost you can see is $0. You do go through a buying process and then you'll get the link for free to be able to download it. Once you have downloaded it, you will get this zip file, and then all you have to do is copy that zip file contents into, I've created a directory here under install demo, and I'm just going to put a copy of it over here. And we're not running an installer or anything like that. It's just pure LabVIEW code. All of the source code is here, fully self-contained. So at this point, it's a standalone application, and we can hide this guy. And this now is our application running out of projects, and we can just open the project file. All right. So it comes up ready to go, and this template will look a lot like the demos that you've been seeing, with the startup code, the cleanup code, and a number of example loops. And it's a completely ready to run demo that will get you started. That's how easy it is to install MLA to get up and running. And then from this point, you can follow through the rest of the demos to see how to deal with all of the intricacies of MLA to get it working for your program. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to watch the other videos in this tutorial series and click subscribe so you can catch all of the other instructional videos that we post.